ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯ ಕಡೆ. ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತವೆ, ಅಸಹ್ಯ.
అమ్మ అమ్మ నీ పసివాణమ్మ, నువ్వే లేక వసివాడానమ్మ. మాటే లేకుండా నువ్వే మాయం, కన్నీరవుతోంది ఎదలో గాయం. అయ్యో వెళ్ళిపోయావే, నన్ను దిలేసి ఎటుపోయావే. అమ్మాయికపైనే వినగలనా నీలాలి పాట, నీ పాడే జోలకు నువ్వు కన్నెత్తి చూసావు, అంతే చాలంట. అమ్మా అమ్మా నీ పసివాణమ్మ, నువ్వే లేక వసివాడానమ్మా. పసివాణమ్మ, నువ్వే లేక వసివాడానమ్మ.
అడుగై నీతోనే నడి చూస్తున్నా, అద్దంలో నువ్వే కనిపిస్తున్నా.
అయ్యో వెళ్ళిపోయావే,
నీలో ప్రాణం నా చిరునవ్వే.
అమ్మాయికపైనే వినగలనా నీలాలి పాట,
వెన్నంటి చిరుడాలై జన్మంతా జోలాలి వినిపిస్తూ ఉంటా.
Yes, Sasif Master.
Okay, first relax. Sarina. Contemporary choreography, precisely Sindala, hats off to that. Seriously, I tell you, three things which I really like throughout the performance. One, expressions and emotions. Other fluctuations. You are crying, suddenly you are laughing, suddenly you are blank. That's not easy. And throughout the dance, someone involved marketing. You are crying throughout the dance. A fluctuation is not easy to carry out. That takes guts. As to smooth that, either you need a lot of practice, months. If not, you are born with that expression. So, not another way to Second, she was a true justification for your choreography. The way Madidala, she brought it on stage perfectly. I guess everyone has connected to that. And if you continue your contemporary style, you will be a big dancer for sure. Contemporary, because of that matter, few people struggle. Matter, acting want to be different, but with that body level is different. You really have a good contemporary body language. If you can focus on that, focus on contemporary, you will be a flawless dancer for sure. Remember that. Contemporary focus on it. You will not be able to control your art better. Okay, all the best.
I see Purti as a Chatpata girl who's always doing high numbers, high energy, expression always visible on the face.